Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell or buy or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell. Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening the video on this sunny Jamaica day. I have to be jump happy that skipping these potholes about now. So please bear with me. I'm on the Spanish Town bypass heading north. Actually heading to Sunnyside. Sunnyside is the name of the development. The road is called Villanova Crescent. So I'm in the vicinity of the St. John's Road to my left.
The road is called Villa Crescent.
Villa Crescent.
Yes.
Oh, what did I say?
Villanova Crescent.
It's because I'm selling a development called Villanova Muse. So it's called Villa Crescent. Ladies and gentlemen, the Spanish Town bypass. I used to travel this road a lot when I lived in Spanish Town. In the mornings, lots of traffic, eh? All of that now is history.
There's no traffic over here now?
Well, they opened up the road on the Mandela and they're coming all the way to the roundabout, ladies and gentlemen. So that road is going to be expanded all the way to Twickenham roundabout and then beyond to the Old Harbour Road roundabout. Development is happening. Don't get left behind.
I wonder if it would be easier to drive the toll road and come back the other way, Angels, and come around.
You could drive a toll road if you're coming in from Kingston, yes.
Or if you're going to Kingston for work.
Or you're going to Kingston for work, yeah. Remember this development on the right? This is El Prado Verde. Game changer when this came about.
It was the first of its kind, right?
Right.
Gated community, Spanish Town with three bedroom homes.
Yes, 3 beds with a den too. I mean, really nice. No, I mean, over there is like dream place to live now in Spanish Town. Those houses are now 20 million last sale. In Spanish Town, 3 bedroom, 20 million.
But it's
I went and looked at them at 8 and it was 8.9. When I went, the lady said, oh, we only had a few at that price. Of course, I couldn't buy it again out of my reach. But ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to turn left onto Job Lane. So Job Lane is where the depot is. This is where we come to get our fitness for our cars. First left, Tony? Is it?
I think so, yes.
So it's this one, ladies and gentlemen. So this particular house is in 3 sections. So anybody, this house would suit somebody who is really into investment, who wants some rentals. Or maybe you want to live in one section, you want to rent out the others, right? So this house is for people who don't mind living with other people. There are some people who don't, Miss Davis. I don't want to live with anybody. Don't want anybody in my space. Alright, no problem. This one is not for you though. This one is definitely for persons who don't mind having persons in their space, who don't mind coming out and seeing other people close on the line. Kind of thing, you know what I mean? Alright, so it's Villa Crescent. That's the name of the road. And this scheme is Sunnyside. Sunnyside. That's the name of the scheme. So I'm looking for a right turn. I could have made the first right turn. Maybe I should have. Probably would have reached it already. It's actually a crescent. It goes right around and come back out, right? gonna have to do some. Tony, you need to buy me a SUV now.
For your birthday?
Yes, I don't buy mother SUV. Gosh. I want to tell you what I want though. I want a Range Rover Evoque.
Range Rover Evoque.
2012. 2012. It's a taxi man. I saw them blow them on, you know.
No, he's not blowing you.
I know. But that's how them blow them on. Very impatient.
I think he's stopping at the shop to buy something.
And I make so much noise.
Yes, and the shopkeeper hurry up and come out and sell it. This drive-by service.
Villa Crescent. One thing about Spanish Town, you know, man. You put a hefty mango tree, yeah, man.
Imagine when this beer.
What?
Nice.
Just imagine. Look like a East Indian. Is it a East Indian or a Bombay?
How can you
Or a
tell?
Julie? I can't tell. I'm guessing.
Oh.
This gentleman doing a cleanup. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, the house is on my left about now. So I'm gonna stop and I'll see you inside.
876 292 677666. You want a house? Link Claudia Davis, man. You want a piece of land? She are the real big woman, Miss Davis, she are the real big woman. With she, you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she, you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. She tell me pre-smart, pre-better. Get your own damn place so you prefer it. Dear me wife if you sign up letter car. NHT them a real trend setter. Plus me don't get a youth of a member. Me son just on table in December. And she do construction too. She will build your house for you and you get it well rendered. Davis, she are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. She now start it and left you there. Me a tell your brother, yes, she well prepared. And if you're meeting enough farmer panga wrong, she give you lawyer, brother, clear your fear. She are the best RST agent. She help the need if you stop pay rent. They don't care about mind them, just give me strength by steel and gravel and black and cement out. Now me house that I build up on the eye, me a save some me money gone up in the sky from. Me meet Claudia, me say me nah lie bank. Have money and me pocket never giant. Me swear for me life, say me son him a fi fly so. Hypocrite pagan while we die. And you can't stop Claudia Davis, don't try. Every day another house gone. I Miss Davis, she are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Yeah man, you know. It's Claudia Davis. Big up yourself. Dance a like, subscribe, and share. Claudia Davis. Can get your house anywhere. Just be prepared without no fear.